In the previous two videos, we connected our branch gateway to the internet, set up a management LAN, and provisioned our switch and AP into Central. In this video, we'll configure a corporate and a guest network, and all of our network devices. Starting from our network operations screen, change to our branch group in the context filter. Click on Devices. Select the Gateways tab and click on Config. Navigate to the Interface tab and select VLANs. Click on the plus sign and add VLAN 10. Call it Corporate. Click on Save Settings. Click on the plus sign and add VLAN 99. Call it Guest. Click on Save Settings. Click on the Ports tab, select Interface GE0, scroll further down and change Mode to Trunk. Keep VLAN 1 and Native VLAN. Under Allowed VLANs, select VLANs 1, 10 and 99 and click on Save Settings. This will provision 2 new VLANs on port GE0 on all gateways in our group. Now we need to change to Device Config mode to configure device-specific settings. Click on List View. Click on the gateway. Select Device in the context menu. Select the Interface tab and then the VLANs tab. Select the Corporate VLAN. Further down, select VLAN 10. Scroll down and then Enable Routing. Set the IP address and the subnet mask. Enable Act as a DHCP server and configure DHCP settings. Click on Save Settings. Repeat the process for the guest VLAN. Now, we're going to configure these new VLANs on our switches as well. Click back in our context filter to go back to our branch group. Select the Switches tab and click on Config. Set the device password for the group if you haven't done so already. This password can be used to log in directly to devices should you ever need to do so. Click on VLANs and then the plus sign. We'll set up VLAN 10 as corporate and VLAN 99 as guest. Click on the back button and then select the ports and link aggregation. We are going to set up port 1 on the switch as a trunk port, carrying VLANs 1, 10 and 99 to match our config on the gateway. We're going to do the same on port 2 as this is our AP uplink. And we are going to set up port 3 as an access port on our corporate VLAN, as we're going to plug our laptop into that port. We made these config changes on a group level, which means that these will apply to every switch that is part of this group. To configure our APs, click on the Access Points tab, and again on the Config button. Set the group device password if you haven't done so already. Click on the plus button to set up a new SSID. Let's call it Corp. Click on Next. Change VLAN assignment to VLAN 10. We'll keep the security as WPA3 personal and set our passphrase. Leave access as unrestricted. Review the summary and click on Finish. Now we're going to set up our guest SSID. Select Static VLAN Assignment. Remove VLAN 1 and specify VLAN 99. Click Next. Under Security, choose Visitors. Leave the default settings for captive portal type, location, internal and acknowledged. Please note, these wireless settings are not intended to showcase best practice, but simply to help us build and test the sample branch network. Please refer to our Aruba Central how-to videos for more information on wireless setup using Central. Leave the security access rules at unrestricted and click Next. Click Finish and OK. Click on Show Advanced and select the Systems tab. Select the country code and your time zone. Set the NTP server and click on Save Settings. Click on the Switches tab and click on Config. Click on Properties. Set the time zone and the NTP server and click on Save. Now we're going to connect 3 devices to the network for testing. In the context filter, select our site and select clients in the menu. Here we can see our laptop connected on the Corp VLAN on switch port 3, a phone connecting wirelessly to the corporate network, and a tablet connecting to the guest network, also wirelessly. We'll come back and revisit security in our last video. In our next video, we'll set up a few more WAN connections on our gateway. For more how-to videos, please visit phoenixpro.club. Please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all our latest content. Thank you for watching.